In this video, I will show you how to verify Bitget Wallet account. So to get started, go ahead and open Bitget Wallet on your device. So on the middle of your screen, you'll be able to find this verify button. Click on that. Now in this section, you'll be able to find the requirements to be able to verify your account on Bitget. So click on that verify now button to start verifying your account. And here you just need to select your country or region of residence along with your issuing country or region, along with the ID type that you want to upload to Bitget Wallet to verify your account. So these are the available ID types that you can choose from. Now after you have selected your ID type, you can go ahead and proceed with the next step. So on the next step, you'll need to go ahead and take a photo of the front and the back of your government ID card. Now after that, you need to confirm that your card information matches the information on the form that you have entered, and then it would take a few hours for Bitget to verify if that ID is legitimate and if it matches the information that you've entered.